Hey guys, it's Grace here from Fancy Webkins, and I'm going to be experimenting with like dishwashing soap and cornstarch and food coloring. So I'm going to experiment how to make slime with those ingredients: dishwashing soap and corn syrup and food coloring. And so it's just gonna be like an experiment. So if it doesn't work, then I don't know. But if it does, awesome. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so I got the cornstarch and dishwashing soap on. So in a bowl and a spoon and food coloring. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put, let's say, 3 scoops of cornstarch. Technical difficulties here. Oh well. So it is gonna be messy, just for the warning. Especially if the cornstarch. Whoa! Oof! See this? That's all cornstarch. My bird's like, what are you doing, lady? So sorry about that, guys. And then I'm going to just put like that much or something. And then where's my food coloring? 1 second. I'm gonna put the food coloring in, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I put like 3 drops of food coloring in this, and I'm gonna see how it is. It's not mixing up very well, so I'm gonna put a little more soap in there, like a lot more. I mean, like that much, and see how it is. So I'm just gonna wait until I get a good consistency that I think is good, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I have a tiny ball of it, and oh ho, that is so nice. Whoa. Okay, so this experiment definitely worked. So let me just use my hands and mash it up. I added a lot more soap, like a lot. You want a lot more. And now I'm going to use my hands and see how it is. I can't prop the camera up, so I have to. You guys can't really see what I'm doing, so I'm just going to use my hands and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I got it, and there's like, oh, that's why it's like that. There was some cornstarch on the camera. Sorry about that. So I got the consistency I want, and look at this. It just like melts down. I love it. It's an awesome slime. If you're having like friends over, this is an awesome experiment. If you have colored Dawn, then you don't need food coloring, but you can. It just makes your hands a little blue. So yeah, let me clean up and play with this. So yeah.